RAV4 Prime. Finished the tow hitch install, fortunately before the rain started, and the kick sensor still works. Both going up and closing. So this is not a full install video. I'd recommend watching the two other videos that are linked, but this is just a couple extra things that were not covered elsewhere that might make it easier. So here are a couple additional suggestions for tow hitch install on a RAV4 Prime while keeping the hands-free kick sensor functionality. This is a 2021 XSE with a premium package. Here is the inside of the bumper, and you can see the rerouting of the kick sensor, and I used a Dremel to kind of route where the sensor can go, and then the end can fit basically just a couple centimeters, about an inch or a little more than an inch short of where it originally was, and use some twist ties to just keep it in place. This is the cutout for the tow hitch,